Hello everyone, thank you for your visiting Jiangsu DINGS website and YouTube channel. From this online seminar tutorial, I would like to introduce what is a non-captive little screw linear actuator and how to choose this product. DINGS has four major form factors of little screw linear actuators, and non-captive little screw linear actuator is the most popular product line. Let's take a look more about this product in details. From engineering video in next slide, I hope customers can understand how non-captive little screw linear actuator works. Non-captive little screw linear actuator is mainly 1.8 degree hybrid stepper adopts little screw to become an integrated linear solution that enables the stepper's rotary motion transforms as a linear movement. With the use of a high-performance little screw, it allows linear actuators to provide quiet, efficient, durable, and cost-effective linear motion solutions. Screw end should be fixed for both sides, either or at least one side. Also, motor should be fixed and well aligned with the mechanical structure, since it impacts performances like a thrust force, linearity, runout, and also life cycle of an actuator. DINGS non-captive little screw linear actuator comes in 7 different sizes ranging from a square frame 20mm to 86mm, or Lima size from 8 to 34. DINGS non-captive little screw linear actuator has a Lima size 8, size 11, size 14, size 17, size 23, size 24, and size 34. Here are general specifications of DINGS non-captive little screw linear actuator. DINGS uses a 303 stainless precision cold rolled little screw, and for certain application, customer can choose Teflon coated screw as an option. Screw accuracy and straightness is 0.18mm and 0.15mm each based on 300mm lengths. Screw efficiency is from 35 to 85%, but it depends on pitch of little screw. Please carefully operate the DINGS non-captive little screw linear actuator following temperature guideline in operation storage. General screw backlash is 0.02mm. Typically, DINGS guarantees a few millions of life cycle, but please don't forget it depends on the load, speed, and operation environment. Many customers ask DINGS what is the maximum length of the screw DINGS can adopt for non-captive little screw linear actuator, and surely it depends on size of a motor. As you see this table, for small steppers like a Lima 8, 11, DINGS can maximize the screw length up to 250mm, and for Lima 14 and 17, 350mm. For Lima 23, 24, and 34, it can go up to 1000mm. If there is any special customization requirement from customer for making longer stroke, please individually contact DINGS or our regional local distributors. I hope now you have a better understanding of a non-captive little screw linear actuator, and let me tell you more about customization options what DINGS can offer you. DINGS provides anti-backlash nut for stepper size except size 34. If a customer concerns mechanical backlash between inner nut and screw after millions of cycles, customer can choose a spring pressure destruction of anti-backlash nut as an option. DINGS provides anti-backlash nut for size 8, 11, 14, 17, and 23. DINGS provides a wide range of encoder options for a non-captive little screw linear actuator. If customer wants, DINGS is able to make a non-captive little screw linear actuator as an encoder ready too. It means there can be rail shaft and encoder mounting holes according to customer's requirements. But also, DINGS freely allows the customer to choose encoders according to their mechanical size, the way of signal output, and resolution. DINGS offers totally 5 different kinds of encoders for non-captive linear actuator. Please visit our website and freely choose your encoder option. All encoders for non-captive linear actuator are hollow shafted type of encoders. Sometimes customer request a greaseless screw for non-captive leader screw linear actuator, then DINGS offers Teflon-coated leader screw. Teflon-coated screw enables its longer life cycle and very useful in unclean working environment by dirt, particles, or etc., since it can be simply cleaned up. This demonstration shows the three motors are moving along with a non-captive leader screw. Single screw goes through three hollow shafted motors. Post-correction micro-stepping drivers and the PLC controls simultaneous operation. Based on basic understanding of DINGS non-captive leader screw linear actuator, let's try to choose an actuator together. However, there are still a couple of things I have to highlight all of you for an appropriate product selection. Let's take a look at a few more steps for actual product selection. It is a very basic step, but still many customers are not clear on this. According to DINGS technical guideline for non-captive leader screw linear actuator with thrust force as maximum and recommended. Please choose proper motor size in advance. This is the first step to choose an actuator. As you select the size of a motor, now it's time to choose a leader screw. It is actually about force and speed requirements. As you can see, there are many technical factors customers have to deeply consider and calculate, but if there is any questionnaire, please feel free to contact DINGS or our local distributors. According to your application or concept of design, you can simply find out proper leader screw between speed and thrust force relationship. Based on different motor size and stack, you can check out thrust force curve and select the leader screw code. One thing I would like to emphasize is, please consider to take a maximum 50% of the safety margin to choose a leader screw. It may give you different leader screw if motor selection from the beginning, but it is a very important step to select the right capacity of actuator with the safety, so please be careful on this step. DINGS non-captive leader screw linear actuator or leader screw is a 303 stainless precision cold rolled leader screw. Screw accuracy and straightness is 0.18 mm and 0.15 mm each based on 300 mm length. Screw efficiency is from 35 to 85%, but it depends on pitch of the leader screw. DINGS controls all of leader screw manufacturing process in our facility. If you complete to choose a leader screw, please consider how to fix the screw into your mechanical structure. To guarantee best performance of a non-captive leader screw linear actuator, screw end should be properly fixed. To do this, please consider what kind of a screw and machining option you are going to choose from our selection. And if you want to specially customize end machining, please provide your request as a drawing, and our engineering team will immediately check and review to make it come true. Fixity of a screw end is a very critical factor customer has to consider, because as you can see this table, different type of a screw end fixity impacts rigidity of customer's system. So if possible, please assemble non-captive leader screw linear actuator as strongly supported either or fixed. Non-captive leader screw linear actuators can be installed with a linear guide or guided rod. Please follow DINGS technical guideline for better performance of a non-captive leader screw linear actuator. DINGS website provides online product selection tool for non-captive leader screw linear actuator. Please watch upcoming video and it will help a customer how to utilize product configuration program. Please go to selection guide and you can drag down to see product configurator. Please click to get into this program. You can see different NEMA sizes of motor selections, and as an example, let's choose NEMA 17. NEMA 17 has 4 different form factors, and let's click non-captive version. NEMA 17 has a single and double stack of a motor length, and let me try to select the double stack motor. And you can freely write screw length if it does not go over maximum length, and here I write 100 mm as an example. For screw end machining options, I choose metric end, but surely you can choose other options too. NEMA 17 motor has 3 different windings as 0.5, 1.2, and 2.5 ampere. Let me click 1.2 ampere as an example. NEMA 17 motor has 11 different kinds of leader screw, and please choose whatever you want. But please remember, 50% of a safety margin when you choose a leader screw from thrust force curve. From this program, I chose K screw lead. As an option, do you want to take an encoder? I'm saying yes, definitely I need. Let me choose an encoder and resolution. Also in addition, signal output and index or non-index. What about screw? If you do need Teflon coated screw, please click it. Then finally you can bring out part number and click the button. Your part number selection will be automatically emailed to the right person to contact you. Thank you for your watching DINGS non-captive leader screw linear actuator online seminar tutorial. For more information, please visit DINGS website www.dingsmotion.com.